Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have $1.25 Dove body wash in this video, which is pretty amazing. And this is the preview for the week of September the 8th to the 14th over at Walgreens, and I'm pretty excited. Okay, so as of the recording of this video, this is the only booster that we have right now, which is the 7 back when you spend 30 on medical. Another booster hasn't arrived, but you know sometimes they show up on Saturday or late Friday night. So just keep your eyes peeled. We might potentially have better deals. Now, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 8th. So again, we're treating this video as a preview in case there might be an error or two. All of the fine print and details will be in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 8th. Okay, so as discussed in the last many videos, summer clearance at certain stores is $70 right now. I'm predicting that on Monday the 9th, it should go to $80 for a lot of us, possibly $90 at some markets, or possibly your store has already packed up the summer stuff and it's been sent off to a warehouse. But let's just keep a mindful ear out for that. And when I have more details, I will present it to you guys. I think a lot of us are going to go shopping when it's $80. $70 is still a bit too rich, and there's still a lot of stuff at the store, but we will be checking that out. Just put it on the back burner. Monday is possibly the day. The quickest way to see has the prices changed in your area is just to look up in the app, either a Squishable or a Fan, what is the price, 70 or 80. These Mound chocolates, which is the dark chocolate with the coconut, 89 cents over at Walgreens as a curbside pickup. I made a video yesterday afternoon. You might want to check it out. I know a lot of you are scoring big on this, but you might want to check out the video. It's linked at the end. Very easy deal. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Really helps out the channel, helps out the Mounds chocolate deals. If you could just like the video, I would be so grateful. Now, on Monday and Tuesday online, we have an extra 20% off with different coupon codes. So it's really going to be on for curbside deals earlier in the week over at Walgreens. First deal we're going to talk about is with the General Mills cereal. That's going to be 2 for $5. The original price for one of these boxes, $3.99, so that is quite a bit, and this is one of their deals of the week. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off too. It's available to load right now, so go and load it. And it's like 50 cents off per box. If you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, it's 900 points when you buy 2 Cheerios cereal. So using the Fetch Rewards app, we're specifically going to have to buy Cheerios. So if you love Cheerios, this is a dealio for you guys. So grabbing 2 of those boxes, it's $5 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Photograph your receipt to Fetch to get 900 points back, which is basically 90 cents. So it makes it $3.10 for the 2, or $1.55 per box of Cheerios. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. A booster is like a spend 30, get back 10, a digital or a paper one. Unfortunately, we don't have that digital one right now, but if you're doing this deal with no booster, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. Everybody's best friend is back, which is the Tresemme hair care. We're looking for the $6 bottles. And so for 2 of them, it's $12. Subtracting that digital coupon that's available to load on Sunday, you'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Unfortunately, that IBOTTA rebate for $2 back for each has expired. But it might repopulate. You never know, because it seems like Tresemme is going with every other store with the exception of Walgreens. It might float in. Save your receipts in case it does. You can always submit an IBOTTA receipt up to a week post. It'd be nice to get an extra $4 back. So we'll have to wait and see how this one shakes out, but save that receipt. We also have another great Colgate deal. So I think for this one, you're going to have to grab a paste and a brush at $4.50 each. And so 2 of those is $9 at $4.50 each. Subtracting 2 $2 coupons, you'll pay $5, get back one $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so the next deal is with the Dove body wash. And for this deal, if you want to wait for me, I'm going to haul it on Sunday. So if you're just like kind of like not sure about it, wait for me and I will have my video up probably 11 a.m. ish on Sunday. Pretty straightforward body wash deal, 7 each, 3 off 2 digital, $3 register reward when you buy 2. However, it gets a little bit better. Rewards has 5,500 points back when you buy 2 of them. If you look at the picture, and I hate to be this person, there's the body wash on the left hand side, and it's 18.5 ounces or larger, and that body wash is that size. With the Fetch Rewards app, double triple check that you have the same rebate as I. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be 14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 11. Get back a $3 register reward. Photograph your receipt to Fetch for 5,500 points back, making it $2.50 for the 2 or $1.25 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I am personally going to be testing this one out on Sunday morning. So if you want to wait for me, in case there's any issues with that rebate with the Fetch Rewards app, but I read it through I think twice. It looks pretty straightforward. I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens, and hopefully I get my points back. Isn't this a great deal? Okay, now we're looking at the Gillette and Venus razors. They're BOGO 50% off, $3 digital on both. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $14.98. Subtracting $6 in digital coupons, you'll pay $8.98. $5 register reward back, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor. $2 for that fanciness. Yes, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, unfortunately, last week when I was doing this deal, my store was very limited with razors, so I got 2 of the men's Mach 3 at $8.99 each. BOGO 50% off, and I was able to do the deal. Only one $3 coupon, but I was still able to make something happen. If you need laundry care, this is probably the best deal in this flyer to get 4 of these P&G laundry care products for $10. You can mix and match or just get one product if you wish. 4 like products. They're 4 for $10, so it shakes it out to $2.50 per product. And if you have extra Walgreens cash or register rewards, it's definitely the way to do it. Now, this deal I love. We have a $2 off Walgreens coupon. I still can't find it in the app, so I don't know where it is. $2 register reward when you buy 2. Buying 2 of the cheaper $5.99 shampoos, it's $11.98. Subtracting 2 of those Walgreens coupons, that's $4 off. Pay $7.98 out of pocket, get back a $2 register reward for buying 2 of these shampoos, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. For those of you that use the dandruff shampoo, do you think this is very similar to Head & Shoulders? Some of you are very particular for generic products. So let's look at a deal for dandruff shampoo with the Head & Shoulders. Now, these are much smaller than the Walgreens generic. It's the smaller bottle of the Head & Shoulders for $6. Grabbing 2 of those, it's $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back one $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per Head & Shoulders. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So for generic, it's $2.99, or for the real McCoy, it's $3. You tell me, is there a difference? I think they're pretty similar. I might do both of these deals. Okay, the last little dealio we're looking at is the $7 Olay. The cleansing melts are included. Is there going to be an IBOTTA rebate ever for that product? I would love it. It's like some sort of thing to clean your face. But grabbing 3 of the body washes, which is the cheapest product I can find, $21 at $7 a pop. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per product. Let's check IBOTTA. Keep your receipt and then keep checking IBOTTA as the week progresses for a rebate, possibly, maybe. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, guys, honorable mention time. The first that we're going to look at are these Reese's peanut butter cups or candy or whatever they're calling them. We have a $1 off 2 Walgreens coupon, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per bag. And we're definitely going to look at this for the curbside pickup as well. Everybody loves the chocolate and peanut butter combination. Now, this candy corn for $1.99. Every other year, they always have some sort of goofy, like Thanksgiving dinner or some weird flavor. Not included this year. Very interesting marketing on this company's behalf. So noted that. 2 for $7.99, online only for the Walgreens brand for the pizzas. And again, another food item we're going to look at for the curbside pickup. We're definitely going to look at that. I know a lot of you are trying to get cheap food. And with that, we have a buy two, get one for free on the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper. So we'll look at that as well as the week marches on. It with my absolute favorite, we have a buy one get two for free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand trash bags. This is one item I hate paying for, so this is not a bad price. You're usually paying like $4.99 for the first and getting two for free. I call that magic. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.